Hello, my name is Zubair Khan. I am from Nashik. I have pursued my bachelor's degree in computer applications. I am currently working with Accenture Private Limited. I have chosen artificial intelligence and data science over other different technologies as that it was my interest to learn artificial intelligence, and it is one of the most rapidly growing technologies in the entire world. We use artificial intelligence or data science unknowingly in our day-to-day lives. So this gave my interest to learn these things. That's why I learned it, and that helped me to grow my career as well. Edgrow has helped me to learn data science and artificial intelligence in a simple and an effective manner. The lectures of Professor Daud sir were great, it were easy, and they used to teach in a very simple and easiest way. Even a person who is not from the technological field can understand it. So that helped me to grow my career as well, and Edgrow has helped me in developing my career in artificial intelligence and data science. As they make students work on the real-time projects which help them in the industrial and the production work and to excel in the career as well. Thank you.